Conditional formatting in SharePoint lists is a strategic feature that allows users to visually enhance their data based on specific values or conditions. Instead of manually searching for key information, you can use visual cues like colors, icons, or font styles to highlight what's most important. This functionality is available for both list rows and columns, making it possible to emphasize critical information, track progress, and draw attention to deadlines or statuses. The flexibility of conditional formatting means you can highlight entire rows, such as overdue tasks or specific columns, like priority or completion percentage. Ultimately, the main reason to use conditional formatting is to improve clarity and focus, enabling users to quickly identify key data points. In environments with large data sets, these visual signals save time and reduce the risk of overlooking important details. SharePoint's user-friendly interface makes it easy to access formatting options, whether you're using ready-made templates or building custom rules. The intuitive process, supported by real-time previews, empowers users to experiment and refine their lists, making information clear, actionable, and visually engaging. Conditional formatting also supports collaboration, keeping teams aligned on priorities and deadlines, and can be adapted as business needs evolve. In summary, conditional formatting transforms SharePoint lists into. To start working with conditional formatting in SharePoint, first access the list you want to modify. Open your web browser and navigate to your organization's SharePoint site. Then select the site containing your target list. Use the sidebar or navigation menu to locate and open the desired list, such as tasks, inventory, or project tracker. Before making changes, ensure you have the necessary permissions. Only users with editing rights can apply formatting. You can check your permissions in the list settings or information menu. Once confirmed, access the list settings via the gear icon or settings button, where you'll find options like list settings, column settings, or format this column. Understanding your SharePoint environment and permission structure is essential, especially in large organizations. With the correct list selected and permissions verified, you're ready to start formatting. SharePoint's interface guides you through the process, making it easy to begin with simple rules and explore more advanced options as your experience grows. In summary, successful formatting begins with proper navigation, permission management, and familiarity with SharePoint settings. After locating your SharePoint list, the next step is to open the column formatting options. Click on the header of the column you want to format, such as status, priority, or due date, to reveal a drop-down menu. From there, select Column Settings, then choose Format this column. This will open the formatting panel on the right side of your screen. The panel offers a user-friendly environment to apply rules that change the appearance of your data, like highlighting overdue tasks in red or marking completed items with a green check mark. The advantage here is precision. You can target specific columns for visual enhancements, improving both function and engagement. The panel includes predefined templates for common formatting needs and an advanced editor for custom JSON code, catering to users of all skill levels. With real-time previews, you can fine-tune your rules before saving, ensuring the formatting looks just right. Once you're satisfied, save your changes to apply the formatting instantly. Importantly, these changes affect only how the data is displayed, not the data itself, and are visible to all users, supporting consistency. The Format pane in SharePoint is a central workspace for customizing how your lists and visuals appear. It provides a wide range of options, from basic text styling to advanced conditional formatting. The built-in JSON editor allows for precise control, enabling you to create custom rules and dynamic visual cues tailored to your needs. The live preview feature lets you see changes in real time, encouraging experimentation and creativity without risk. When you're ready, you can save or cancel changes, giving you control and flexibility. The Format pane also serves as an educational resource, linking to guides, syntax documentation, and community forums for support. Accessibility features, such as high contrast options and adjustable font sizes, ensure usability for all. Version control tracks changes for accountability and easy reversion. In collaborative environments, the Format pane helps enforce consistency, share templates, and maintain professional standards. Advanced users can innovate with dynamic rules that respond to data or user roles. Overall, the Format pane is more than a design tool. SharePoint's predefined formatting templates offer a quick and effective way to enhance your lists. These templates are designed to make information accessible and engaging, transforming raw data into visually coherent tables. Applying a template is straightforward. Browse, preview, and apply the format that best fits your needs. Features like alternating row styles, dividers, and shaded areas improve readability and highlight key data points. These templates are not just decorative. They improve user experience by reducing errors and accelerating decision-making. Consistency across lists is encouraged, supporting professional presentation and easier onboarding. Accessibility is also prioritized, with templates compatible with assistive technologies. Microsoft regularly updates the templates, ensuring they remain modern and relevant. For advanced customization, users can also create their own designs with JSON. In practice, predefined templates support a range of use cases, from project management to education and healthcare, improving clarity and fostering collaboration. Well-formatted lists enhance communication, support decision-making, and reflect professionalism. Formatting SharePoint list columns with JSON unlocks advanced customization possibilities. JSON, or JavaScript Object Notation, lets you define every aspect of a column's appearance, including colors, icons, and conditional logic. Access the JSON editor via column settings and experiment safely. Preview changes in real time and revert if needed. JSON enables powerful conditional logic, such as showing green for completed, yellow for in progress, and red for delayed tasks. You can use hexadecimal colors, add icons, or embed hyperlinks and tooltips for richer interaction. SharePoint provides sample templates for beginners and supports complex expressions for advanced users. Regularly save your work and use version control to track changes. Mastering JSON formatting gives your organization a strategic advantage by aligning list visuals with business processes and improving efficiency. Microsoft's documentation and community resources are available to help you learn and troubleshoot. Consistent formatting standards support collaboration. Conditional row formatting is a powerful way to highlight important data in SharePoint lists. By setting rules or expressions, you can automatically apply visual cues, like background color, font style, or icons, to entire rows based on their values. This helps users quickly identify urgent tasks, high-priority issues, or critical deadlines in large datasets. For example, overdue tasks can be highlighted in red, tasks in progress in yellow, and completed ones in green. Rules can be simple or complex, allowing customization to fit your workflow. Formatting updates dynamically as data changes, ensuring visual cues always reflect current information. Conditional formatting also aids in error detection and data validation by flagging anomalies automatically. Preview and troubleshooting tools help refine rules before applying them. Consistent formatting across teams fosters shared understanding, while accessible design supports users with varying needs. Whether in business, education, or reporting, conditional row formatting transforms raw data into actionable. Conditional column formatting allows you to apply targeted visual enhancements to specific columns, making critical data points stand out. Use colors, icons, gradients, or custom expressions to highlight values like priority, status, or due dates. For example, set red for overdue tasks, green for completed items, and use icons for quick reference. The preview function lets you see changes before applying them, helping you refine rules for clarity and impact. Column formatting also aids in error detection, flagging outliers or anomalies for further review. Consistent formatting acts as a shared visual language for teams, improving collaboration and reducing miscommunication. Well-designed columns enhance readability and professionalism in reports and dashboards. Accessibility options ensure all users can engage with the data. In education, column formatting can visually represent performance levels, supporting targeted interventions. By focusing attention on key attributes, saving and publishing formatting changes in SharePoint is essential for effective communication and data integrity. When you make changes, such as applying conditional formatting or adjusting layouts, save your work to preserve it and publish to make it visible to all team members. This ensures consistency, preventing confusion from unpublished changes. SharePoint's interface includes intuitive options for saving, publishing, undoing, and redoing modifications. Versioning tracks every change, allowing easy reversion if needed. Before publishing major updates, communicate with your team to explain the rationale behind new visual cues. Sharing settings help you control who can view or edit the list. Proper saving and publishing also make formatted lists accessible across devices and locations, supporting remote and hybrid work. Timely updates keep your lists reliable for reporting and decision-making. In summary, thoughtful saving and publishing practices turn SharePoint. To get the most from conditional formatting in SharePoint, follow these best practices. Keep formatting simple. Use a limited color palette, clear icons, and straightforward rules for universal understanding. Avoid overly complex styles that can confuse users or hinder accessibility. Always test your formatting in a controlled environment before publishing to catch errors and ensure accuracy. Document your formatting rules, including the reasons behind them and how they function, to support transparency and future updates. Use templates to standardize formatting across lists and projects, saving time and ensuring consistency. Templates can be tailored to specific scenarios and shared across teams. These practices help balance creativity and control, leading to readable, manageable, and sustainable lists. Well-managed formatting ensures lists remain usable as they grow, supports scalability, and maintains clarity. Ultimately, conditional formatting is a design philosophy that reflects how you present information and facilitate collaboration. By adhering to these best practices, you create SharePoint lists that are functional, elegant, and inclusive